I like to take the shraders out in there. Always end up cooking them. Let's set up for our nitrogen purge. Got my wet rags. Purge. PSI on our acetylene. Alright, we're all set up on that. Let's go into the house, get those connected. Ready to start purging nitrogen. We're ready to braze in the condenser.
I'm gonna go up there.
Alright, that's all brazed in. I gotta go braze in the air handler. Braze joints on that. I can pressurize it. I think that will do just fine. Braze joints look good. Everything looks good. We'll zip that back into there like it's supposed to be. Reattach this where it was. Everything looks good on that. Put our shraders back in. Alright, so we got 275, 275, and it's holding steady. What we've done here is we came to every single one of these thermostats, and you can see what I got is the living room. I tied the yellow and white together on zone 1. On this is being zone 2. I tied the blue and the green wire together, and in the office zone stat I tied the orange and the white wire together. That way I can go under the house, and whichever ones make continuity, that'll tell me which wires I'll have to use. Alright, we're going to go ahead and gauge her up here. Alright. Vacuum's being pulled. We're already at 530 microns. That all set up. Two. Alright, zone's mounted. Now to find out our thermostat wires. Alright, we have one here. The old beeper. And she works. There we go, yellow and white. Yellow and white. So that's zone one, that is living room. Blue and green, I'm sorry. Blue and green on the second. Blue and green. So that makes that zone 2. And tighten up the O. There you go. Push that right around there. Tuck it into place. Alright guys, so we got our transformer in. It's feeding over here, coming in and going into our power to our zone, our Jackson zone system. We got our system wired in, which comes around. You follow that wire, it goes up, it comes around, ties into all of my thermostat inputs. I got this little black wire, you follow that over there, goes to the float switch, breaks the red wire. When we get an outdoor thermostat, the reason we don't have the white wire here is because the white wire is going to carry it to the outdoor unit, go through the outdoor thermostat, come back on the brown wire. And that is why the brown wire goes to our W wire. Brown is common on this unit. Green is fan. Dehumidification is black and white. We don't use it. So that's all done. All the thermostats are wired up. System's wired up. I got 3 zones to wire it up. Zone 2 right there. And I got to find out where the other ones are back there somewhere. We got our static pressure control, which is wired up. It comes in and hooks up to right here. So everything's all set up. I think that's about all I'm going to show you on this one. Run these last few wires, wire them up, and call it a day. It's getting late. I'm about ready to get out from under this house. So thanks for watching.